right. So welcome, Muan. I don't know whether I pronounce your name correctly. Let me know if I pronounce your name wrongly. We have a new student joining us. Is it Muan or Muan? How should I pronounce your name? Please let me know. You want to unmute yourself and let me know how we should call you?
Muan is fine.
Okay, thank you, Muan. All right, so for my lesson, I'm Miss Ivy. Feel free to use the chat to tell me you don't understand. So I'll be asking a lot of questions. If you don't know, just write IDK. Y'all love to use short form so much, right? IDK. My generation, we don't use short forms so much. IDK, I don't know. All right, not sure. Or you can make a wild guess. For example, you are wondering copper, then you put a question mark in the chat to say you're not sure, but you're guessing. Okay? All right, so do not worry about giving me the wrong answer. There is no stupid answer in Miss Ivy's class. All right, so I appreciate all answers. Even if answer is not sure, I don't know, I still appreciate. At least I know what's going on so that I can help you better. So if you need to go toilet, if you need to get a glass of drink, feel free to type into the chat to inform me. Don't need to ask for permission. Say, I'm going toilet. Then when you're back, just type, I'm back. All right, okay, let's move on. Okay, so again, National Day promotion. Please continue to share 88 tuition with your family and friends. So share the handphone number, share your referral code so that if your friend subscribe, they get 25% off. You also get 25% off. Win-win situation. All right. So even if they don't subscribe, they also get to enjoy one free live lesson, which they will thank you for that. Okay, let's start. All right. So which gas is responsible for global warming? Right. Let me open up my Excel file because I would like to thank Muan and hang on, and Zuo Jin. I hope I pronounce your Jin correctly. It's 第一声 Zuo Jin. Okay, Muan and Zuo Jin, well done. You actually submitted your assignment. The rest of you, I don't have your responses. Were you too busy, or is it a case whereby you cannot access the learning portal? Can you all type into the chat? Oh, too busy. Okay, now if you're too busy, at least you try now, okay? So you say, what do you mean? Her really? What do you mean? What is that? Her really? So what do you mean? Definitely got end of year exam oral. Is that should be the school? Oh, school, huh? So fast. Oh, okay, oral exam is usually earlier. All right. Zhe Yu, what do you mean? Let me check. Let me check what, Zhe Yu. You're talking about your answers or what? Hey, wait, where? I'm talking about worksheet 32. Worksheet 32, I only have 2 submissions. So usually at the start of the lesson, I mean, it'd be great if y'all can submit your answers one day earlier because I will need to prepare for the lesson. Sometimes I will copy and paste some of your responses into the PowerPoint slide. I mean, if it's wrong, I normally will not, some people feel very embarrassed if they have wrong answer, but there's nothing to feel embarrassed. We are all here to help each other learn from our mistakes. Okay. Oh, Zhe Yu, you forgot to press submit. Oh, y'all were doing. But then, can I just check? Are your responses, Zhe Yu, are your responses saved or you have to redo? If you never press submit, is it saved? Just curious. Because I'm not a student, I never used a learning portal before. I only can generate the reports. So are you able to submit your reply, submit your answer, or you have to redo? Zhe Yu say sometimes it's safe, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, fine. If it's not safe, no worries. Because I can, right now I'm in the middle of a lesson, I cannot regenerate right now. Okay, so some of you are busy. Okay, I totally understand, but then do try. All right, it's okay. I'm not angry, but do try. Okay, so so that if you can try the questions earlier, then at least I'll know this question. A lot of students get this wrong. I can focus more on this question. And some of you open-ended, whatever answers you write, I can at least point out what are the key concept errors. All right, which are the key conceptual errors? Right, let's start the global warming. Those Muan and Zuo Jin got it right. All right, so global warming, everyone who has not tried, can you all type into your answer into the chat, please? A, B, C, D. What's your answer? Which is a global warming? Which one caused global warming? Now, global warming, it means the earth getting warmer, right? Nowadays, you know, the temperature is so hot. All right. Some countries, the temperature has even gotten near 40 degrees Celsius. All right, so Earth is getting hotter, right? So, and it's caused by what is called gases called greenhouse gas. Now, you need to know the word greenhouse gas. Gases. In fact, there are a list of them. right? It's caused by greenhouse gases. And these greenhouse gases, right, there's a few of them. Okay, so there's a lot. But I want you to remember these two the best, okay? One of them, you are breathing it out now. All right, so what are you breathing out right now? Of course, you're breathing out air, but what is your body producing in respiration? Quickly unmute yourself, anyone? Simple question, I will say unmute yourself. Okay, thank you, Javier, for typing in the answer. The rest, you can, if you're really shy, you can type your answers in. What is the gas that's coming out from your nose now? Is carbon dioxide gas. Okay, thank you, Zhe. Thank you, Bernardo. Thank you, yeah, Javier. Okay, carbon dioxide gas is a greenhouse gas. Another C is this. Now, if I'm going to draw this, I want everybody to write the formula for me in the chat. Everyone, write the formula for me. What is this formula? I know you cannot write subscript smaller numbers, but it's okay. Just type it out. What is the formula of this? This is one molecule that I'm drawing. What is this? What's the chemical formula of this molecule? Type into the chat, please, everyone. What is the chemical formula of this molecule that I have drawn? Okay, Zhuo Jin, the second one must be capital letter, but very good try. Good job, Zhe. Good job, Fernando. See, and then, okay, Javier, turn around. Your two letters turn around. We usually write carbon first. Mu En, would you like to count how many carbon atoms are there? How many hydrogen atoms are there? Try again. Good try. How many carbon atoms? How many hydrogen atoms? And join them together. We carbon first. Good job, Javier. Right, start with carbon first. Carbon got how many atoms? Mu En, no need to say sorry. It's okay. We are all here to learn. No need to apologize for any wrong answer. All right, I appreciate all answers, right, regardless of correct or wrong. So this is 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. Short form in chemistry, you're going to learn all of you will take chemistry in Set 3. Don't need to write 1. So this is methane gas. All right, some people pronounce as methane. Some people, the Americans pronounce it as methane gas, whatever. Okay, methane gas. All right, this is the gas in your Bunsen burner. When you light up your Bunsen burner, that is the methane gas, CH4. All right, so CH4. Okay, now there are also a long list of greenhouse gases, but these are the two main ones that you must know. Okay, and both start with C, so easy to remember. All right, so CO2, CH4. These are the greenhouse gases. Okay, they actually trap a lot of heat. Carbon dioxide and methane gas trap a lot of heat. All right, then the answer for this question would be D. All right, but then I would like everybody to write down the chemical formula for ABCD. So argon gas, can everyone type the formula for me? I normally will test you on related topics. Okay, everybody quickly, not sure, just type not sure. Thank you, Javier. Well done. Type for me the chemical formula for argon gas. There's argon gas around us right now. No worries, Zhe. Make a guess. Would you like to make a guess? Look at the spelling of argon. Bernardo, take the first 2 letters. Jocelyn, try. Take the first 2 letters. Okay, Georgine, good job. Zhe, you try again. Take the first 2 letters of the spelling of argon. Mu En, try first 2 letters of argon. Okay, good job, Bernardo. Good job, Mu En. Good job, Zhe. First 2 letters of argon. So don't need to memorize periodic table. Make a guess first, okay? Right, I don't even memorize the entire periodic table. Okay, so capital A, small letter R. First letter, always capital letter, then small letter R. So argon gas, there's only 1 by 1. So argon gas is only 1. It's not bonded to other atoms. It's not married. Please don't use the word married in your exam. I'm just helping you to understand the concept better. Do not use the word married. Okay. Right, so don't use the word married in exam. Argon does not like to be married. It is very stable on its own because it has a stable electronic structure of a noble gas already. All right, 288. 2 electrons in first shell, 8 electrons in second shell, 8 electrons in third shell. All the shells are complete, full. All right, all the 3 shells are complete, so it's very stable. So don't need to chemically bond, doesn't need to bond with other atoms, doesn't need to chemically combine with other atoms. All right, oxygen gas, everybody type into the chat, what's the formula? Javier, try again, that's not right. Oxygen gas, how will it look like? Is it 1 by 1 or 2 by 2 or 3 by 3? Good job, Javier. Good job, Muan. Good job, Jocelyn. 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. How will oxygen gas look like? Zheyu is oxygen gas. I'm asking. Try again. Try again. Fernando, good job. Zuojin is not 1 by 1. Try again. So oxygen gas will look like that. If Miss Ivy is going to draw it, I'm drawing one molecule. This is how oxygen gas will look like. All right, so it is, how do we write the formula then? What now that I've drawn the molecule out? All right, good job, Zheyu. Okay. Fernando, also good job, in case I miss your name out. All right, so it's O2. You need a 2. Small letter 2 below. Cannot write on top. Please don't write like that. This is wrong. So O2, 2 is below. All right, let's do nitrogen gas, which is in the potato chips bag. When you buy a potato chips bag, it's so fat, right? Then you open up, so only very few potato chips that you can finish in like 1 minute. If you're a fast eater, you can finish one small packet of potato chips in 1 minute. Nitrogen gas, what's the formula? Good job, Javier. Zheyu, try again. Good job, Muan. It's the same as oxygen. Let me give you a hint. Good job, Javier. Muan is correct. Zuojin is correct. Zheyu, try again. Good job, Zheyu. Fernando is the same as oxygen. Try again. All right, so if I were to draw nitrogen gas, it will look like that. One nitrogen atom, another nitrogen atom, chemically combined together. Chemically combined together. All right, chemically combined together. Therefore, okay. Thank you, Fernando. Now, do not get mixed up with this. We have nitrogen dioxide. You see, sometimes when y'all give me wrong answer, others can also learn from your wrong answer. So nothing shameful about giving wrong answer. Now, everybody type into the chat, what does... Zheyu, you're saying why did Miss Ivy say, Zheyu, try again, good job, Zheyu, at the same time. Do you know why? First of all, internet speed is lagging. So Zheyu, your first answer was wrong. So I said, Zheyu, try again. And then your second answer was correct. All right, it could be this or it could be, unless I'm seeing the wrong answer from an earlier answer. All right, so if I say, Zheyu, try again, Zheyu, good job, it's because I'm giving you comment for the first answer, followed by the comment on your second answer. All right, Zheyu, you understand? All right, nitrogen dioxide. Everybody tell me dioxide, Di, means what number? Di means what number? Thank you, Muan. Good job. Di sounds like bi, except B and D. Now, bicycle. Why you call it bicycle, not tricycle? We all know bicycle is 2, tricycle is 3. All right, 3 wheels, right? Bicycle got 2 wheels, tricycle 2 wheels, 3 wheels. So please learn the word mono means 1. Di means 2. Tri means 3. All right, so you need to know this. Okay, important. Mono, di, tri. All right, like triangle, 3 sides. Di is 2. So di means 2. So it'll be capital N for nitrogen. Oxide is capital O, and there's 2 oxide. It means N1O2. But short form, you can write NO2. So nitrogen dioxide is NO2. So back to my original question, nitrogen gas is N2. All right, so do not get mixed up between nitrogen gas is capital N2. This is in the potato chips bag. There's a lot of nitrogen gas around us, 70. How many percent? Can you remember how many percent of air is nitrogen? Write into the chat. Muan, after 7, what is the next number? After 7, what is the next number? You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your fingers. After 7, what is the next number? Try again. Fernando, try again. Muan, try again. Muan, good job now. Zuojin, after 7, what is the next number? That means you count you do your numbering. After 7, what is the next number? Fernando, good job. So after 7 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Therefore, nitrogen is 78% of air. All right, 78% of air is nitrogen. Right, it's nitrogen gas. Okay, a lot of the air, majority of air is actually made out of nitrogen gas, 78%. All right, next, carbon dioxide. Everyone write the formula.